Venuum turns Ferrari Purosangue into an exotic hot hatch. The tuner's proposal for the V12-powered Italian SUV includes everything from wider fenders to new wheels. The kit includes flared arches, a custom grille, and revised front and rear fascias. Tinted headlights and taillights add to the menacing looks of the Italian SUV. The Ferrari Purosangue is one of the most remarkable SUVs on sale, equipped with a screaming 6.5-liter naturally-aspirated V12 and a price tag higher than some mid-engine supercars. Now, a European tuner has taken a Purosangue and made it even more outlandish, equipping the 5-door model with a dramatic bodykit and other upgrades which almost make it look like a supercar. The amped-up SUV, now known as the Black Venuum Edition, wears a stealthy gloss black paint paired with matching forged aftermarket wheels. Venuum's kit features an overhauled front fascia with gaping air intakes, a redesigned grille, and a splitter so aggressive it looks like it could snap ankles on sight. A new hood crafted for the Ferrari is particularly eye-catching. It includes 2 central air extraction vents in the center and meticulously crafted flying buttresses on either side. The hood suits the Purosangue to a T, and we wish that the Italian carmaker itself had designed a hood like this. A black badge has also been fitted, and the LED headlights have been tinted. As with so many body kits on the market, Venuum's package for the prancing horse includes flared wheel arches at both the front and rear, giving it a more menacing stance on the road. The ride height has also been lowered, giving it the appearance of an exotic hot hatch, though it's unclear whether this was achieved with lowering springs or coilovers. Several modifications have also been made to the rear. The most obvious of these updates is a new rear diffuser that now includes fins that run under the exhaust pipes. A new rear spoiler has also been fitted above the rear window, while a more prominent lip spoiler attaches to the tailgate.